Hello and welcome back everybody to the Geek Tech Show, and welcome aboard. My name is Sergey Kisimov, and in this channel I do a lot of video reviews, and below, right down below, there's going to be a link to the Lego Mocha class, where you can create your own custom creations using very small little bricks. And this is an awesome 5-hour class right now that has a lot of video tutorials for you to check it out. So make sure you check it out. Today's video, we are going to be checking out this thing. This is the Lego brick block. And I have never seen anybody make a video review of this. And in my channel, I do a lot of video reviews about all kinds of cool little things here. And you should check it out as well. Subscribe to my channel if you do like it. So this thing right here is awesome. It is very small, compact in size, and inside here I'm storing a bunch of my Lego minifigures. You can see a huge amount of them because I do Legovesting. I buy Legos, I sell them for a profit, I make money with them. There's also going to be a link right down below to my Lego class as well. You can see it here, Legovesting. But those are the Legos that I keep for my own personal collection. I don't sell the ones I like. I do keep them. Love the minifigures. So the good thing about this is that it is small, it's compact. You can take it out and you can store all your minifigures as well. It comes out very easily and it is also stackable. It also comes in two different varieties of different sizes and different colors. Red one is just my favorite. It comes in yellow, I think it comes in green. I'm not sure what other colors it comes with. I think blue as well. And maybe other colors too. And it is called the Desk Drawer. It is available at a very decent price too. So that's how it comes. It looks very nice as a gift set as well, and it comes in a variety of different sizes. There is the 2-piece and there is the 4-piece too. Unfortunately, the 4-piece only has one single big unit that comes out of it. I'm not a big fan of the 4-piece. I think it is too large for my own needs, and therefore it is going right back to the store. On the other hand, the 2-1 is just so cute that I gotta have those. In fact, I bought a whopping amount of 6 of them. Before Lego gets sold out of them, I think you should get them as well. They are interchangeable, they look nice, they're beautiful, lightweight, makes a great gift, and you can store everything you want inside. In fact, I think I'm about storing maybe 50 minifigures. I haven't counted it. I guess if I want to, I could. There's potentially 25 in this drawer right here, and it's only halfway full here. So it is great for small pieces. The only thing I dislike about this is that when you take it out and put it back in, it makes a whooping amount of noise, just a lot of noise. If it is just in and out, a little bit of noise, but putting it back in, can't help it. It makes a lot of noise. Other than that, it is good, it looks good. And the only other downside I have of this downside is that it has this thing right here. It is good and bad. The good thing is easily for you to take it out. The bad thing, this is an additional hole where dust and everything else is going to get right inside the hole itself. I guess if you dislike it, you can tape it, but then how in the world can you open it? You can't. So that is my only really big downside about this. The second downside is that it attracts dust like a magnet all over the place. Static electricity, just dust attracts all over the place. It comes from everywhere and it gets attracted to this. I guess that's the other downside of plastic as well. Now in my next review, I'm going to be showing you my entire collection of all those and more information about them as well. Let's get started right now. Welcome back everybody to another video review from the Geek Tech Show. In today's video review, we are going to be checking out a Lego review, not on Legos, but instead of Lego bricks, because I have seen those bricks before and nobody makes a review of the Lego storage brick cases. So I have decided to get them myself and let you know about them, what I think of those brick cases, and if you should get them for yourself. So the one I've been using so far are those. And those are very nice ones. They no longer make them, and this is the big case with Legos. They constantly make things and then they stop making them. So if you can get your hands on something like this, you should always buy as many as you can, because then they stop making them. So the one that I have right now and I pretty much use is 4 of those. That's right, and I keep a lot of minifigure pieces right here. And you can lift this one up right there and you can see more of them as well. So because I really like it so much, and because it is stackable and you can stack them on top of each other, it is a very good thing for you to have. So I have decided to get those new ones that have been going on and selling right now from Lego. And that's my review is all about those. Now before I get started talking about those, I want to show you the one I've been using before, which is pretty much this cheap case that I got. And it's great for minifigures that I store them right in here. A bunch of different minifigures. And it's good. It's not bad, but it doesn't look like a Lego thing. And it's not made for Legos, and this is clear right here. And I don't like it being clear, because the sunlight gets in here and potentially damages all my minifigures that I'm storing right inside. Sun damage is real. It happens. And it messes up bricks. Now, so what I have decided to do is to get those. Here are the big ones and the small ones. So if you can want to look at this, this is the double size one. It's big. It comes in this very nice box. I really don't want to open this because it is double sized, and I'm actually thinking about returning this one. That's why it is still in the box itself. Now, why would I return one of those without even showing you a review of this? Because I don't think it's good. I don't think the double size is worth it and justifies your money. Such as those. Those are very good, but right now, this thing that was, it cost about $30 a piece. It's going for a whooping 120 bucks if you can even get your hands on it on eBay itself. Now, on the other hand, this is different. It is small, but actually you can get 2 of those instead of 1. Now, this one right here is a little bit cheaper because for 16 bucks you get 1. If you spend 11 bucks, you get 2 of those. But I think the 2 of them is a much better deal for you than getting 1. Because now you have 2 different drawers that open up instead of 1. So you can put different things in those compartments. I have enough storage spaces for my Legos, but I want separators for each and every one of them, like this, that you can take apart, and then you can of course put this on the table as well. So one of my original plans was to make this stackable like this. So what I was going to do is get a bunch of them, just like this, and I'm opening one more up, just to show you what I was going to do with it, and that's what it comes with. And pretty much my original plan was to put 2 of them on the bottom, like this, put the double stackable like this, and now I have 2 of them right here, 2 of them right there, and 1 that opens up, and this one I'm not opening because I'm returning this one. That was my original plan. Then what I have decided to do, I wasn't going to stick with this plan. I decided to do a different plan with this instead. So I bought a bunch of those, and you know I do Legovesting. I have so many Legos, and I found this to be the better plan. Well, I was gonna just go and put them like this, and they are very stackable, and you can see how well this actually goes with my other ones. They're about the same exact size, but now I can actually have them line up on both sides like this instead, and I can move them apart. So not only I can put them together like this, I can also break them apart. And that's something I couldn't potentially do before. So definitely this was the superior plan. And this is why I'm sticking with this new plan and I'm giving this one away. Not because it is bad, not because it's actually cheaper, because it is, but because this is more suitable for what I'm doing. And instead of building up, is much better than actually building wide. And it conserves a lot more of my space as well, my desk space, because I have not enough space to put everything in here, especially since I have so many Legos. So yeah, this is a very good one for you to get. It works very well. Compared to the old one, you're kind of getting a lot of storage space. And you can see right here, that's a lot of storage space for a very cheap amount of money, Lego speaking wise. And the great thing about this is that it comes out just like that, and you can stack them on top of each other like a building block, like a Lego building block as well. So definitely recommend those for you to get while they're still selling them at the Lego store. Great deal, good price, and much better than the double brick right here.